Hey, Scott here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the deck from a Toro zero-turn lawnmower. Belongs to a friend of mine. First time I had to take the deck off, I wasn't sure how to do it, but I figured it out and I thought I'd share it with you so you don't have to work so hard as I did to figure this out. Alright, here we go. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you how easy it is to remove the deck from this Toro Timecutter. This is the SS4225. So we're looking at the 42-inch deck, and we're going to take it off. So the first thing we want to do is to go over here where the lever is for raising and lowering the deck, and we want to lower it all the way. Okay, all the way down. Now let's get underneath. Alright, so the first thing we do is to pull this pin on the front and push that out of the way. And now if we look at the back of the deck, you're going to see this bar come down here, and it comes down and goes all the way across the other side and then back up. So all we have to do is to lift the deck off of that bar like so, and push it, lift it up and push it toward the back of the mower, and we'll go to the other side. And on the other side we'll lift it up, push it back, and you'll see it came right off of this bar. Get another view here. And then on the back of the mower, we reach up here and we pull the belt off the pulley, and we'll raise this back up, and we can just slide the whole deck out. So taking a closer look at the deck to see what just happened, if you take a look at these brackets on the side here and on the other side, that bar underneath basically goes in here and it bends, goes across here to the other side. So all we did was to unhook it from those hangers, and that is how you take the deck off of a time cutter. So let's put it back on. Alright, so let's slide the deck under. And then once we get under there, we gotta kind of line it up where that bracket and those rods are. And let's put this bar back down again. And I find it a little easier to go over here on the driver's side. And if we could line up, oh, we gotta go back. There we go. Make sure this bar is all the way down, and then make sure this bracket, when we lift it up and pull it forward, is going to hook over the bar. Well, the bracket on the other side is hanging up. Alright, that's what I mean about having it all lined up. So now raise this up, hang it there, around to the other side. About bumping the camera. But yeah, we had basically get that part hooked onto the bar there, And now that it's hooked back up, we can go back to the front here. Put this piece back in place. Put the pin in. And then we go to the back of the tractor and put the blade back on. The belt back on. Make sure the belt is on all the pulleys up there on the deck. And then there we go.